Hello, my beautiful people. How na day today? I'm gonna get Sandra Enoke, aka the life too short to be over the think. If today not the first time when they see my video, welcome to my channel, baby. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. If you don't see my video before, welcome back to another topic. Well, today I get one ogbonge and one shocking story for now. When it be saying, I can't ask myself, say, what did they happen for the country? What is going on, man? What did they go on? Like seriously, what did they go on for the country? Well, when I hear say our president don't appoint a dead lawmaker to be part of the Federal Character Commission for the country. The man don't die since February of this 2020. So, his name appear with 37 others. The man died at the age of 59. The man named na Tobia Chukwuemeka, Ebonyi State lawmaker. They appoint the man to be part of this commission. Now I could ask myself, say, come, what thing they really happen? May not be like say the people when they say they rule us. Some of our governors, so when they say they rule, some of them don't die, they don't appoint them again. We don't know whether in a ghost town they want to turn the country to. Really, if this kind of mistake, if this kind of thing they come outside like this, for the oga on top, if this kind of mistake they come outside, what do they expect for we, the citizens, to do? Like seriously, what do they expect us to do? Even to the essence, now the Senate president, when they call one, now can they explain? Now you can't even read the letter self. What is happening in this country? What did they happen for Nigeria? What did they happen? What did they really happen? The man don't die already. He done already the rest. They see they appoint them to be part of a commission. They see they appoint them to God. When I see this report, really, I laugh. I did laugh because if they appoint people when don't die, they live the living. People when don't make their life not get job. People when don't die, they get job. Like seriously, who they rule this country? Who are the people that are making laws in this country? Who they rule the country? Like I surprised when I see this. The thing they very shocking. These one are the confirmation requests for confirmation of appointment of chairman and members of the Federal Character Commission. It was signed the office of the president. You see, this is the list. Nothing else. The red button when they done so, now be the name of the man so when don't die already. Now the red, now the name of the man when don't die. When they appoint as member for Ebonyi State, this is the man, the late Tobia Chukwuemeka. So now the man so be this one. Now the man be this one. So when they don't appoint, when don't die. So now what are they talk say? Even if say they don't make this list before. If they don't make this list before, why be say they not check them again? Maybe they make this list by December time. Why be say they not check them again? But when they work with the president, why they not recheck them again before they pass them to Senate? Because Nashara reporter so now they report this thing. For me, I feel like say how we say nobody notice somebody for the collect the salary of this man. Because now Nigeria everything is possible. They fit put them like that. Somebody they collect the salary. The salary when now they talk and say they not just get planned for we will be say as in the younger ones. They not just get planned because not be mistake. This is not mistake. This one a person purposely put the name. Say I will say you go on notice. Somebody for they collect the money just as 2017. Now remember 2017 something like this happened again. Something like this happened when it be say the appointment into the board of federal agency and corporation when it be say the finance say 5 people when the president appoint 5 people are dead 5 people don't already die already. 5 people don't die inside. If not be say they still find out that one, it will go unnoticed, and people go in until they collect the money. Just as this man, somebody fit just dey now, they will just put am na ghost worker now. Somebody go just dey collect the money. No plan for the younger ones, no plan for us. What is going on? We really need to change. We really need to change. Not be everything be money issue. And people when they work with president, una need to do una job. Una really need to do una job. Man, no dey give us embarrassment again. Abeg. Well, now this one now be my own contribution inside. I also not like this video. I bet you guys don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also let's be family. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Remain blessed and remain safe. Bye.